To bridge the gap between the Northeast and the rest of India, efforts are on to make the youth aware of the rich diversity and culture of the region. A large number of students and teachers from Delhi University are on a tour to northeastern states to explore the region. We take a look.
The Dharohar Gyanodaya Express train, carrying 870 students and teachers of Delhi University, set off on an educational tour to the northeast on December 18 in an endeavour to expose the students to the rich culture and heritage of the region. The train was flagged off from Safdarjung railway station by Union Minister of State for Home Affairs Kiran Rijiju and Union Minister of State for Sports and Youth Affairs Sarvananda Sonowal. Started in 2012 as the College on Wheels project, this is the 5th edition of the Gyanodaya Express that will cover all the 8 northeastern states and conclude on December 29.
आप लोग ये जो नेशनल इंटीग्रेशन के दिशा में ये बहुत बड़ा कार्य है। इसमें पूर्वोत्तर के लोग बहुत सालों तक ये महसूस करता है कि दिल्ली बहुत दूर है, जगह भी दूर है और दिल से भी दूर है, ये महसूस होता है। लेकिन मैं ये कहना चाहता हूं, अभी हम लोग का इस तरह का जो आपका जो कार्यक्रम है, इससे नजदीकियां होगी, इससे पूर्वोत्तर के लोग भी दिल्ली को दूर नहीं समझेंगे और देश के अन्य हिस्से में जो लोग रहते हैं वो भी पूर्वोत्तर को दूर महसूस नहीं होगा।
The train first arrived in Guwahati, from where the students divided into 9 groups were taken to various parts of the northeast. During the 7-day-long trip, the students did a variety of sightseeing activities, interacted with the locals and worked on a specific project related to the Northeast. The university also plans to publish a book called Dharohar, The Glory of the Northeast, on the basis of the experience of the students and the projects undertaken by them.
The basic idea of this program is to establish a connect with the rest of India, with Northeast, and also for the fact that Delhi University has a lot of Northeastern students. So also to make them aware and understand and the intermingling of culture. That's the motive behind this.
हमारी यूनिवर्सिटी ने एक पहल की है जिससे हम लोग आगे आए और प्रॉब्लम समझे कि हमारे भाइयों बहनों की क्या प्रॉब्लम है, हम जाके इन्हें ऊपर तक दिखा सके, जो इनकी टेक्निक्स है, जो आर्ट है, वो ले जाके ऊपर तक दिखा सके। यही हमारे प्रोजेक्ट का मुद्दा है और हम लोग आए हैं सिर्फ आपकी परेशानी जानने, आपसे बात करने, आपसे मिलने। That's all.
In Manipur, a special reception was organized at the Manipur Film Development Corporation Auditorium for the team of 120 students and 30 mentors that arrived in the state as a part of the tour. The students visited the famous Japanese War Memorial Complex, Loktak Lake, Ima Kaital, and many other exotic places in the state. They later also interacted with the students and teachers of different state universities and sports training centers.
People here are very helping and cheerful. When we approach to them, they are very joyful. कि मतलब वो easily हम जैसे भी approach करते हैं उनके पास, बहुत प्यार से बात करते हैं एक तो, ठीक है। और अगर हम में से किसी को मणिपुरी नहीं आती है, हम लोग इंटरेक्ट करने की कोशिश करते हैं तो वो मना नहीं करते, बहुत अच्छे से समझाते हैं, बाय एक्सप्रेशन, बाय किसी भी चीज़ से वो एक्सप्लेन करते हैं अपनी बात को। प्लस जो ब्यूटी है यहाँ की, जब हम रोड से आ रहे थे और हिल्स वगैरह हमने देखी तो it was mesmerizing. It was once in a lifetime opportunity for me.
I'm very excited to take them in Manipur to show our cultures, identities, and like our traditionals, in order to equalize our rights in the mainland city, so that we can stay safe here, so that we can have no discrimination.
Promoting better understanding about the northeastern region and bridging the gap between the people through various such programs is high on the agenda of the central government. The Railways is also offering tours and concessions to students for travelling to this part of the country.